Uh, speaking of diss songs, speaking of diss songs, apparently, there's another diss song, but this diss song, Chad, is going to Ubud Legend. Uba bekutheni, kwatheni ungathangani, andizuyazi. Uyabo? But apparently bamfake ethobhini uTaleji. Hayibo! uTaleji. Uputsman. When you are a rapper and then you diss somebody, yabo? But ungapheleli ekumdiseni, yabo? You start being creative even with your art cover, cause it sounds simple. Ithobhi la ndongo weli. Ayo picture ka legend nale. These people are creative, man. But anyway, let's check out this diss track. This diss track is from hold on. Why is the reason why is him Kunjula? Hold on. But yo, let's see. If we chatanga hapa, I'm not gonna read the blog.
Aphinda reze nangwezenza thafu kodwa yenu ethe ubutsmenge angaphinda reze nangwezenza thafu kodwa yenu ethe fuck your advice if ihamba nendelelo ngokungibona igroup yapha yizo actor njengemento khona uzibhatala nini ezamali uzibolekileyo you gon pay namhlanje ke ndizo
Wow. Tunamatyala. Guys, I don't know. There's this diss track. What?
faka ingqeqesho ndithanda ibeats ikhane nezafeatures fakileyo ngoma zakho ngezinhlwempu gqithi bawena ubungekho ukuva wena yiyo lonto abantu abayizeleyo uyayazi bazomamela abantu bakhaphileyo lo tsotsi got a bitch in him no Terry Petro yena njengo Presleyman uzo actor gangsters uzosona ngesimoke ngewubamba ivelo noba ingaze bhayi ngingayiwisa mnalo nqwelo urap ngathi usekresh boot cocomelon wazibiza booty kubufuna unikwe imbeko ndizokunika imbeko zonxiba mnyama kwesapho isibhero inxibe nela boot full boot red bottoms bloody shoes.
No, hold on, that shit right there, somewhere there. This
booty kubufuna unikwe imbeko ndizokunika imbeko zonxiba mnyama kwesapho isibhero inxibe nela boot full boot red bottoms bloody shoes stepping on this bitch like you bloody fool uzokhala kum cause you got your ego bruised so thatha lo durang ndiyifake phaa kumhluzi dala ndikho queen but andingo Prince Masuku andina excuse I just happy then I shoot ungiqhomela ngemotion mna akuzomnceda tu sikhosa sakho ceke but esami sikhosa shushe xa ufuna kuthethwa ngawo uthanda ukukala ukhuka usondeza kubantu kuba ufuna ukuba use gqiba
actually, he's talking. He's actually talking because this line here,
bantu kuba ufuna ukuba use
like he, like this.
xa ufuna kuthethwa ngawo uthanda ukukala ukhuka
He's actually talking, cause it's actually a human trait, Landoba. Oh yeah, I was on a call with I was doing a stream here. I tried to call Ubud Legend as well because I needed his input. Then I called Uflesh Mungan as well. He said what Yana. What did he say? What he. This bro is also saying now like kujonga kuqala uchuku. I don't know about who started what. That's why in this combat, the intricacies of this whole beef me, I really don't want to know. I want to know if you can rap. If bakwathini bekutheni zekwangathini wathini ngathangani, can you rap? Can you diss somebody? Yabo? Because I want to be clear when, like here, yabo, I don't need the backstory. Yabo? Because I want it to be clear that you are dissing and you mean what you are saying. Yabo? Then I need to get the story from your raps. Yabo? It's enough. I won't have time to go back ndofunda kwaze kwathi ndizazenzele ngexesha lam, but ingxaki naxa sendingena kwiNantsika andifuni uya ngala expectation ngento bendiyifundile, yabo, bahambe bekuthiwe so ndilindele loo nto. I want to know first impression. Are you able to rap? You know what I'm saying? Are you able to do what you are saying you are doing? Yabo, you can diss somebody, but are you able to rap? And this nigga here, he can actually rap. He's smooth with it. I won't lie. He can actually fucking rap.
Bandeza kubantu kubufuna ukubayuza gqiba ubashiye xa uzibona ingathi umkhulu thini makesithenze impuku yathembisa ke wena awufuna oluqhusisimembe angaphinda rap nangwezenza thafu kodwa yena
adding that utini is silly, bro. It's silly.
Ubutsmenge angaphinda rap nangwezenza thafu kodwa yena
That is so tough. That is so tough. I don't wanna lie. That is tough. Okay, angaphinda rap yena No, solid raps. I won't lie. Oh, shut the fuck up. Solid raps. I won't lie. The pretty solid actually. Yabo. Diss track to Boot Legend is called Ubutsmenge. Yabo. I'm here for the raps. The other shenanigans, no. Yeah, well, like I said, my brother, this is a solid diss. This is a solid diss. This one is a solid diss. Yeah, well, you just went in and spazzed. I don't wanna lie, you can rap. Yeah, well. Otherwise, shout out, man. You W's in the chat.